Welcome to a harmonious journey of discovery in our latest episode, Harmony Unveiled. Today, we're delving into the enchanting realm of sound therapy, where melodies and rhythms become the keys to unlocking relaxation and easing stress. Prepare to be enchanted by the tune of tranquility. Discover how specific sounds, tones, and frequencies have been used for centuries across cultures to induce relaxation and promote a sense of calm. We'll explore the science behind these enchanting melodies and how they resonate with our inner harmony. As we venture deeper, we'll uncover the soundscapes of serenity. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing sounds of singing bowls, chimes, and ambient compositions designed to create a serene auditory environment. We'll discuss how these therapeutic sounds can create a peaceful haven in the midst of our busy lives. Sound therapy is a gateway to mindfulness and meditation. Experience the rhythms of relaxation as we explore how rhythmic beats and vibrations can guide us into a state of deep relaxation. Discover how these gentle rhythms can act as anchors, guiding our thoughts away from stress and into a place of tranquility. Join us as we unveil the mesmerizing world of sound bath healing. We'll immerse ourselves in a symphony of soothing sounds that wash over us, relieving tension and promoting emotional balance. Dive into the transformative experience of sound bath sessions and their potential to leave you refreshed and renewed. As our journey through the power of sound therapy comes to a close, remember that harmonizing with sound is a tool at your fingertips. If you've resonated with our exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening episodes. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the extraordinary ways in which the world of wellness and our senses intersect. Be sure to ring the notification bell for a harmonious journey through the world of well-being and beyond.